Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So now today we are going to see pictures animation in Filmora. So here this is welcome skins of Filmora. So now first create a new project here. So downside you can see new project and you can select your aspect ratio. So here I have selected 16:9 wide skins. Now click on new project here. Now I have created our project in Filmora. Now first check our project setting, then click on file, then click on project settings. So here you can see 1920 1080 full HD project I have created in Filmora. Now press OK. So here I am using Filmora X or Filmora 10. So whatever Filmora you have, you can animate pictures. Okay. So left side you can see some project, media, folder, all these things. So here just select folder and import some pictures in our folder. Then click here. Then you can select your folder. Now click on images here. So inside this you can see these are our pictures here. Then select our picture, then select first one, hold shift and click on last one, then click on open. So you have imported your pictures here in Filmora. Now just rename this folder as a picture, then right click, click on rename and just give a name images or pictures. Then create another folder for audio, then downside click on plus icon, then give a name audio, then select and import some audio here. So I have some audio here. Okay. Now just click on images folder here. Now first add your pictures in our timeline here. So downside you can see this is our timeline and this is our viewer. Now just select our picture and just simply drag and drop here. Just select and just drag and drop like this. Okay. Even you can select many pictures at a time. Then select first one, hold shift and click on last one and select and just simply drag and drop. So like this you can add many pictures at a time in our timeline. So here if you will see, I think both pictures are same. So select this one and delete. So simply you can delete your pictures from your timeline. Select and delete. Okay. So now here you can see I have added some pictures in our timeline. Now add some music here. So here if you want you can use your own music which is you have imported in Filmora, or if you will see in here some options are here. So this one audio. So these are inbuilt audio given in Filmora. So if you have already installed this audio, then you can direct use or you can download first. So here if you have not installed these effects, then you will see here one download option. So with the help of download option you can direct download from Filmora website. Then you can drag and drop in our timeline. So here I have already installed these presets or these effects, so direct I can use. So if you want you can drag and drop here. So first check our preview, then double click here. Now you can check preview. I think this one is looking good. Then stop here, then select and drag and drop simply. After this just place it here at large, because after this there is no any image here. So if you want you can just trim this audio, then select audio and just click on this seizure, or you can click on this seizure here. Just simply click here, then select second part, this one, and delete this. So just click and left mouse you can just zoom in zoom out, or control plus minus you can just zoom in zoom out. Okay. Now till here save our project, then click on file, then click on save project, give a name whatever you want, then simply click on save. Now play and check here. Now little bit just down audio level here, so you can select this line. So there is a volume level, so you can select and just little bit drag down here. I think this is sufficient for us. So here if you want you can use your own music, then come in media and select this one and delete and use second one. Okay, so anyone you can use here. So just here I am going to use this one. Now suppose if you want a little bit change your image durations, then simply you can select and you can trim like this, or you can just little bit extend like this. Okay, they just select and click and adjust according to. So this is totally depends on you how you are setting your durations of your pictures. Now here if you will see in our viewer, a little bit it's showing black here because this picture has different aspect ratio and our frame size has different aspect ratio. So here our frame size have 16:9 aspect ratio. So if you want, you can adjust this picture according to this frame. So little bit it's not looking good here, so little bit just I am going to fit this picture on our frame here. So for this, so first option, then right click on pictures, then click on crop to fit. So as you click on crop to fit, it will fit your pictures according to this minimum value, okay, and maximum value will be cropped here. Now press Ctrl Z. So if you want to fit your picture according to your requirement, then right click, then click on crop and zoom options. Then here in crop option downside you can see ratio. So first we have to define our ratio, which is 16:9. Now if you will press OK, you will get this much area. But here I want to this one also, so you can adjust this box like this. Now press OK. So now you can see. So if you want, you can fit your picture like this. Now again see, right click, just crop and zoom, then crop. First select your aspect ratio, which is 16:9, then you can adjust like this. Even you can also crop like this. So which is your requirement, you can crop and simply press OK. So like this you can also crop and fit your pictures according to our this frame size. So now I am going to animate these pictures in Filmora. Now then right click on to this picture, then same option we have to use for animation, then click on crop and zoom. So here you can see pan and zoom. So with the help of pan and zoom options, you can animate your pictures. Again remember this one, this is important. First you have to select aspect ratio, okay, according to your frame size. So our frame size is 16:9 aspect ratio. So first you have to select this one. Then you will see here two frames. So this one is, which is start, means it will start from here, and second one which is end one, you can see easily end one, and it will end here. Now if you want to adjust, you can adjust. So you can select our end area here, so then click on end here. Now you can adjust. So I think this one area just I want to focus, so it will start from here. Now if you will press OK, now you can see. Now just select your CTI and move it here. Now just play and check here. So this one just our starting area, okay. Now just play and check. Now you can see animation. And if you will go at last of these pictures here, so this is our actually end area, okay. So according to this you can adjust. Now just I am going to click on second picture, then right click on second picture, then click on crop and zoom. So again same pan and zoom options, 16:9, then you can define. So you can see this is our actually pan, okay, it's panning here like this. Now click on OK. Now you can see zoom and pan both. Now you can see. So like this you can animate your pictures. Suppose here if you want to create animation like zoom out, so here how we can create, then again right click, crop and zoom options, then pan and zoom. So we have to flip this start and end because we have to create zoom out, okay. So with the help of this option you can flip start and end. Now click here. Now you can see, now this is our start frame. So just click here and adjust. So again remember this one aspect ratio, this is important, 16:9. So what will happen, it will start from here, means this area will be our starting frame, okay, and it will go till here, okay. So if you want you can adjust. So from here just I am going to start, click on OK. So now you can see on our starting frame, so this is our starting area, okay. Now just play and see, you can see zoom out effect like this. like this. Then come in on our second picture, then right click, crop and zoom, click on pan and zoom. So just little bit, select aspect ratio first. Now press OK. Now just play and check. Like this, okay? Now on second, then right click. So with the help of pan and zoom option, you can animate picture in Filmora. Now after this, just I am going to see keyframe animation in Filmora or manually animation in Filmora. Select these pictures, or you can simply double click here, or select picture, then simply click here, this edit option. So here you can see animation options, then click on animation. Downside you can see some presets. So these are presets, means you can direct drag and drop here and you can see animation. But here I am going to animate this picture manually. Okay, so we have to click on customize. So with the help of these options, you can animate your pictures. So here just I am going to animate. So for this is important, again your CTI position. So first we have to place this CTI in our starting frame of this picture. Then you can add key, because here manually you can animate your pictures. Okay, so I have added key here on our first frame, so easily you can see. Then adjust some value if you want to. So little bit I am going to adjust, because here it's showing black. So from here just I am going to start. Then move your CTI at last frame of this picture. Then adjust value. Even if you want, you can rotate. Then left click and just drag. So here you can rotate. Now just play and check, and now press OK. Now play and check here. Now you can see, okay? So manually you can also animate, you can also pan and zoom, even you can also rotate with the help of manual animation. So here just a little bit I am going to animate. Again select, then click on edit option, add key first, then little bit zoom, because here it's showing black. Okay, so this is not important, that again you have to scale. Then little bit scale here, then go to last, then some position, maybe because I want to create pan effects. Then maybe little bit zoom effect, even Y value if you want you can adjust like this. Now play and check here. So manually you can also animate these parameter. Now little bit stop here. So suppose little bit if you want to delete this key, then these are the options for next key and this is the previous key. So just click here. Now you are in second key or next key. So if you want you can delete this key. Okay, now just create another value. So little bit adjust, then now you can see. Now again select this one, click here, and if you want to create zoom out effect, then again add key on first frame. Then little bit scale here like this, even you can also little bit tilt. Then go to last frame of these pictures, then maybe like this, maybe make it 0. You can click and type also. Even if you want you can pan. Okay, now just play and check here. Okay, so if you want you can also manually animate your picture in Filmora. Now for these pictures a little bit I am going to pan and zoom again, then right click, crop and zoom, then pan and zoom, select aspect ratio 16:9, then adjust starting and end frame here. Now here if you will click here, zoom to fit timeline, so just click here, so it will fit your entire timeline according to your this space. Okay, now just play and check here animation. Now you can see. So here if you want you can also add some transition in between, then click on transitions, then basic. So this first one I have selected fade because just I am going to fade in our video here. So fade in, then adjust some duration transitions, then fade out like this. You can fade out our video here. Now in between apply some transition here. So easily you can see different types of transitions. So maybe in some wrap options you can apply, just simply drag and drop. Now just play and check here. Now you can see fade in starting. I think one is missing here. So if you want you can also apply a little bit different, maybe this one. So if you want you can apply this one. I think this is looking good. So in remaining position just apply your transitions. So after this, just a little bit I am going to apply some effects on our these pictures here. Then you can click on effects or elements here. So elements if you want you can apply, but here I am going to apply effect. Then simply click on effects here. Now here you can select these overlay effects, maybe light leaks if you want you can apply. So double click here, you can see preview here, easily you can see, then you can apply. So just drag and drop, just apply like this and just extend till here. So if you want you can click here. So just a little bit adjust here. So just I'm going to adjust it here only till here. So just apply different effects on different positions. So if you want, so maybe this one, maybe till here different. So here little bit just I'm going to adjust effect opacity maybe, then you can double click here and then you can adjust this alpha value. Okay, so according to this you can manage. Then again double click here. If this is not looking good, then select and delete, and you can apply some bokeh effects here. So let's check. I think this is looking good. Now just apply these effects. So little bit just I'm going to apply some text here, then come in titles or text, and you can select anyone, then just click on plus here. Now you can see, and just double click here, you can edit. Then here if you want you can type. So anything you can type here. Okay, so second value if you want to edit you can edit, otherwise if you want you can delete here. Okay, so just I have deleted here. Okay, so now you can see here. Even suppose it's going suddenly here, you can see here. So you can apply transition fade out here. Click on basic and you can apply just like this. Okay, so it will just fade out. So just stop here and save our project here. So suppose after this if you want to export your project, then simply click on export, then simply click on export. Even if you want you can just change these settings. So if you like this video, please watch, comment, share and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribe my channel.